Come with us in BKK.
Wow!
Dong 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 dong. Ganun din dito. Ganda.
Ay, ano yun? Kung sila ako yung...
Dito mag-aaway kami ni Day.
First itinerary. Food trip.
Bubuksan na niya. Ay!
Ay, ay, ay! A little of the night!
Tapos, hindi pa damage.
400?
Okay, last price, last price. Can I give you 400 last price?
Ano mo ganda ito?
I gotta grab this.
400. Thank you.
Strawberry mango.
Oo, mabango. Scented siya, tapos sobrang tagal niya. Depende sa pagga. Tawa.
Better kayo?
I bought it. I cried over this bag because I want a discount from it. And there's this 100 baht for 5 pairs of socks. Boosh ribbon, boosh ribbon, boosh. Hearty, hearty. Fourth sock, same but different. Ribbon. Aesthetic, very basic. Me and Fair was looking for a nightie. I bought this lovely, adorable nightie. Lovely because there is ribbon and there are bears. Okay? Okay. Fourth item is this croc charm. This one, this a pink Crocs is a free. This is for my housemates in Melbourne. And I bought this lippy. I didn't know that there's free toothbrush here. This is buy one, take one. Another inhaler. These are bottles. The good smelling bottles. Colorful bottle. And there's green. Uten for Shoko-chan. This one is for whoever who will pick this. Another colorful bottle. This is what we call 010 Uten. And this is probably for Ate Jean because she likes yellow. This one's for budding. Yellow green highlighter, I don't know. And another pink one. And that's for my day one BKK haul. Okay? Thank you you so much, guys. Kamay na lang.
Dot 2 in BKK. Tita Jing and Papa Singers live political podcast. First itinerary.
Mami, gabi makabudol. Maganda. Dapat first agad.
First budol. Wow, para vida om team, para vida om team.
Wow, ganda.
Sakto rin 60.5.
Ang ganda sana kaso yung kamay pang kamote.
Hindi, pangkuha ng kamote.
Bayaran mo to, kuya. 5,000 to.
Oy, oy. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello.
Hug. Bisor yarn. Boo!
Thanks to our good driver, FOR, recommending this lovely restaurant.
And it always ends goodbye, baby.
Ay, posta mo? Ay, nara. And goes down.
And the man won't rebel. I'll always remember us this way.
Oh, yeah.
Crispy patay.
Ah, pwede kay... Where are you? Sales.
Tubig.
Thank you. Wow, meron kaming model. Itsura nila. you. Thank you so much to my stylist from Europe. Let's go. Oh, wala na. Oh, sige. Sige, balik kayo. Ulitin mo. Sige na.
Ito mo makikita na parang Pilipinas lang talaga tayo. Ate, kahit ano na lang makita natin doon.
Mas malaki po yung palad ko. Ubus na yung lahi ko, inubos mo.
Nagdadasal kasi sila dyan, oh. Kasi para daw yung makajowa sila. Pagkajowa yan sila.
Nag-pray na din siya.
Grabe to, tagal mag-pray, oh. Matindi pangangailangan nito.
How much? 200. 220. We'll buy more. Alam. Buy more?
Oo, yun na daw, 200.
Sing together?
Yeah.
Together. 200, okay?
Kapag ka!
Sa'yo, 200. Ako sa'yo. Isang tapos sa mo. Sige. Sige. Buy 150. What nangyari?
Day 4 in BKK. As it was rush hour and traffic jam was terrible.
We made it. We made it. We made it. Hooray!
Okay, everyone put a ticket.
Okay.
Everybody, put ticket in your own hand one by one. Okay. 7:30, our boat boarding at pier number 2. Where? Pier number 2 over there. Pier 2.
Still running because we're late AF, and 'twas 5 minutes past boarding time.
Dong, 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 dong. Peo, maudulas ka, Peo. Mahulog ka, Peo.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Italia Princess Cruise. We will want to carry you with our best service.
Bakit ayaw mo kumuha doon? Ayun lang kukuhingin mo lang kay ate. Bakit ka natatakot kay ate? Hindi naman yan mang-judge. Sabi, ay patay gutom yarn. Hindi naman yan sila magagano. Alam mo ba ang kinakanta dito? Ano? Oo.
Ganyan side yung ako.
Oh, yung double chin mo. Sino ka dyan? Wow!
After ng party ito, mga hodyo.
Go kabayan! Labanan mo yan! Let's go! Let's go, party people!
Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ah. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go!
Walang ganyan sa Maynila.
Grabe talaga.
Sila. Tatlong bagsak! Bangko! Wala. Ay, yung ano lang kanina. Wala akong kinuha dyan. O, magtapon tayo dyan. Anong pwedeng itapon? 1, 2, 3! Bangkok! Tatlong bagsak!